Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signal, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Wednesday, time to track down what's going on with the major currency pairs, of course, and we expect very dynamic day. Wednesday, full of economic events. Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we actually just started the trading week. So we're gonna go over it very quickly. So then we're gonna make a technical analysis on the charts. So Wednesday, CPI in Australia, it was released already 12:30 GMT in the morning. CPI worse than previous results, 0.5%. We expect today ADP non-farm employment change, 12:15. After that, GDP in US, interest rate decision in Canada, 2 p.m. Very important event for the Canadian dollar and the crude oil. Crude oil inventories today. We're gonna take a look what's going on with the crude oil. Very interesting scenario. FOMC statement and interest rate decision in US. According to the news, it's expected to see decline of the interest rate in US. This is the major topic of the week actually, and for sure it's gonna affect all the major currency pairs. Tomorrow, very quickly, Bank of Japan press conference, CPI in Eurozone 10 a.m., GDP in Canada 12:30, Friday NFP, one of the most volatile economic events on the market, unemployment rate and ISM manufacturing, PMI, 2 p.m. GMT in US. So US dollar, Japanese yen, and Canadian dollar. Definitely the currencies that are going to be in focus till the end of the week. So let's take a look what's going on with, of course, the charts. Euro US dollar, as you can see, created momentum yesterday, very bullish one, just reversed back. We've been expecting to see 1.1028, so we were in the middle of nowhere, as we mentioned on Monday. And exactly this is the reason why you should be very careful, because the correction started very strongly. It was just very clear that it can test the support line 1.1028, but here just decided to stop and reverse back to test 1.1116, our resistance level. I'm not going to be surprised if we see 1.1168. It's very crucial resistance level. The price is trying to bounce back and continue upward, so let's see if it's going to continue. If we see a reversal from the support, then definitely we can see 1.1028. So the price is staying right on the resistance level, so be careful, because it could be either breakout or correction to the downside. For now, I'm just gonna stay away from it. GBP US dollar, what do we have? Similar situation. Started dropping down, and just it stopped and trying right now to push higher in order probably to test 1.30, which is a round number. And by the way, this is resistance that I'm gonna just put as a new resistance. 1.30 round number. The price very clearly just reversed back from bounce back from 1.30, and after that we can see continuation. For now, we're nowhere again. We are just in the middle of nothing, no reversal levels, and we just have to wait for the Great British Pound. Anyway, they are still discussing the Brexit, so it's very unpredictable. Also, Australia and US testing. Simply the US dollar is going down for now, so that's why it's what's pushing actually the major currency pairs going up. 0.6862, our resistance level, very strong one, and we are waiting. As you can see, it was tested once, twice, so we have a resistance zone between 0.69 and 0.6862. So this is why on literally every moment around these levels, the price can reverse back to the downside. We are still in a downtrend, and it's very clear downtrend. So the Australian dollar, I'm not gonna consider buying opportunities. Just I think we're gonna see, especially with the worse CPI than the previous month, then there is some room to fall down to reach 0.6829 and even further down 0.68, which is simply 65-70 pips away from the current price. New Zealand US, as you can see, what's going on? Just started dropping down, started making the correction after this big upward momentum, and right now it's just trying to find direction, staying exactly on the support level 0.6348, and I think we're gonna see a breakout to the bottom 0.63, even 0.6254. It's a matter of time, 100 pips away from the current price, but for now just a little bit shaky. So if you're gonna take any short positions, just wait for just more confident breakout than what's trying to do right now. USD Canadian. We've been spoken about USD CAD, about the expected return, about the expected correction after such a big drop is quite normal. Crude oil. Definitely, I want to pay attention on the crude oil because it's definitely very clear opportunity. What's going on? Breakout. We spoke about it. Whoever take this breakout just realized very big profit. After that correction, this is what's correcting the USD Canadian actually to the upside. Correction of the crude oil 54.82 in order to test it, in order to bounce back. Right now it's trying to push lower, but I think we're gonna see further upward momentum. Crude oil inventories is just very important today to see if it's going to be red or green. If we see green numbers, we definitely can see very good upward momentum of the crude oil. We got it yesterday. Even I'm going to open 4-hour chart to show you what we are talking about. The price tested and bounced back immediately. Just right now is holding this support in order to continue further. Probably be right before the crude oil inventories or right after. We're gonna see. So if we see the crude oil simply going up, if we see stopping this drop and continuation to the upside, we can see similar price action of the USD Canadian. So I'm gonna wait to see the price testing 1.3130, and after that drop to the downside, even to reach 1.30. Why not? It's not going to be impossible whatsoever. Of just a correction right now, it's going to be the most logical thing, as it started creating the correction and started moving to the upside, and then continuation to the downside. I'm short on the USD Canadian for sure. USD Swiss. So as usual, absolutely. So we spoke about it. The price is going up, so we expect momentum and then take short positions. I'm absolutely short on USD Swiss, probably since the last 1.5 months. Parity level 1.0, resistance very strong 0.9946. Price is bouncing back, and as you can see right now, it's trying to push lower. The momentum was not very strong. I wouldn't say 20 pips is a very strong momentum, but considering that Swiss franc is considered as safe haven currency, and the problems that we are having and we could have in the future about the economical problems and political problems, definitely we can see USD Swiss just simply going to 0.99 the next round number, or 0.9842 the next support, which is by the way very strong, as you can see here. So USD Swiss is a good opportunity and I would take it. USD Japanese still holding 109 round number, as you can see, holding the resistance zone 109 and 108.48, 50 pips resistance zone, and I'm still definitely bearish on the USD Japanese. Yeah, probably you could get confused from this uptrend, but US Japanese is not in an uptrend yet. Once we break out 109, once we see new higher low, then definitely we can consider USD Japanese even in a long term buying. But just for now, USD Japanese is still bearish. Just the correction was bigger than the normal. Usually we are having corrections like something like this, and after that drop, or even smaller than drop, but this is it. 109 staying and trying to push lower. Let's see what's going to happen. Interest rate decision, I'm going to repeat myself. Interest rate decision today is very important event to give a direction of the US dollar and most of the major currency pairs. So it's going to be very interesting. Definitely follow it and make some money. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you like it, of course. Comments below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, share us and like us on the social medias in order to help other people to trade. And of course, have a very profitable week. Bye bye for now.